If you eat junk, your weight will rise. So you take a decision to eat better and you decide to do a ketogenic diet. Wellness warriors, if you overeat healthy food, your weight will still continue to rise. So adding bacon to everything isn't going to help you. Too much carbohydrate from low glycemic vegetables will still cause your weight to rise. And if you continue to allow yourself to eat chemicals, your weight will continue to rise. So now I'm talking about keto snacks, I'm talking about artificial sweeteners, poor quality oils. All of these things will cause your weight to rise. For those of you who meet me for the first time, my name is Violet Rivera, and I make these videos because I want you to understand that when your mental health and physical health are working well together, that's when we have that overall sense of well-being. If you find these kind of videos helpful, subscribe because I make new videos every week. In order to get the results that you're looking for, that magical weight loss, you need to actually understand how and why the ketogenic diet works. Your body is looking for energy and nutrients from all the foods that you eat. And on the standard American diet, your body actually does get proteins and fats from the foods that you consume. The problem is, on the standard American diet, your body also gets chemicals, extremely high levels of carbohydrates, and poor quality oils. There are some very important points that you need to understand if you're going to do a ketogenic lifestyle properly and get the health benefits and the weight loss that you're looking for. Point number one of living a healthy ketogenic lifestyle is eating one ingredient foods. That means my vegetables, that means my protein sources, that even means my spices. I'm eating broccoli, I'm eating chicken, I'm using sage, or I'm using cumin. If I want to mix spices together, rather than buying a prepackaged mix, I buy the individual ingredients and I mix them myself. This way, I am absolutely certain that there aren't any chemicals or sugars or anything unbeknownst to me in these spices or in my foods. Point number two is getting your carb count down to 20 grams of carbs or less. Now, by doing this, what you're actually going to allow yourself to do is allow your body to get into ketosis. Getting into ketosis means that the energy that my body is going to be using is going to be coming from the fat stored on board. Your body is going to produce ketones to feed your brain. The small amount of carbohydrates that you're eating will be enough to feed your brain and your body. And of course, your body can make carbohydrates. So if you decide that you want to go all the way and do carnivore, you're still going to be fine because your body will make the carbohydrates that you need. The third thing that I want you to pay attention to on a ketogenic diet is eating quality protein. The reason for eating quality protein is because your body actually needs protein to build and repair. It needs the fat that comes along with that protein to build and repair. We are made of amino acids and fatty acids. By eating quality sources of protein, we get the protein and the oils, so the fats that our body needs to build us appropriately. I want to take this a step further because when we're cooking, sometimes we need to use oils, especially if we're going to fry something, so that it doesn't stick to the pan or etc. Maybe we're making salad, we want to put some oil in our salad dressing. It's important for you to choose naturally occurring oils. Remember, one ingredient foods, avocado oil, olive oil. These are one ingredient foods that are going to help your body because the oil is natural and therefore my body knows how to use it to build me appropriately. It is so important for us to understand that our body does not care about us being thin. It cares about us being healthy. And because that's the case, what your body is going to do is use whatever nutrients, whatever building blocks you give it in the way that makes the most sense. So if I give my body poor quality, so carbohydrates, excessive chemicals, man-made oils, it's going to do its best to store the poor quality ones away as fat, so to neutralize it in our fat cells and try to pick out the good quality ones to use to build our body. The problem is, if I'm giving my body too many poor quality things, some of those are going to be used to build my body, which is going to lead to negative repercussions to my health. It is actually impossible to force my body to lose weight if I am not respecting what my body needs. My body will 100% always prioritize keeping me alive over making me thin. In the long run, my body will do what's best for me and I will be frustrated that I haven't lost the weight that I'm trying to lose. If you'd like to maintain a healthy body, feed it a healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, I want you to share it and of course like the video, because that helps us to get it out to more and more people. There are some videos on the screen right here that are going to help you to improve your health. Wellness Warriors, I'm always happy that you come back. Everybody who's new, welcome. I want to thank you for watching Mind Blowing Health and Wellness with Violet. I can't wait to talk to you again next week.